All right, folks, we are going to be talking about the best e-commerce products on ClickBank. And you're like, what? E-commerce on ClickBank? Yeah, you bet your bottom dollar we do have e-commerce on ClickBank. Yeah, we really do. Supplements continue to be great money makers, I know. And there's the digital products, I know. And the spirituality and the survival. I get it. I hear you. But we got e-commerce products now, and we are really excited because they're starting to take off, and you're gonna miss out on some awesome money-making opportunities if you're just sitting out there on the other side. Grass is green over here too. Not saying it's greener, just saying it's equally green. Because why? Because I'm not a jealous person practicing self-care, you know? It's not about looking at what the other people have, but if I were comparing, I'd say it's pretty good. By the way, my name's Michael Lohman. You're probably thinking, I know this guy. I've seen him somewhere. Yeah, you've seen me here last month and the month before that and the month before that. I'm an affiliate sales manager here at ClickBank. I work with the top affiliates in the space, so I know which offers are worth promoting, and now you will too. So let's talk some ClickBank ecom offers, and let's get it started with a brand new one at number 6. Pulsetto stimulates the vagus nerve and provides relief and calm and peace, and can be a self-healing gadget. It's a really good product. Go and promote it. They're giving out amazing CPAs on this. They're giving out good commissions, and it just converts. You've probably already seen some of the ads out there anyway. Go, promote it. In position number 5, we have the dog calming code, and here are the stats for that. It's starting at 70% rev share. It's got an AOV of nearly $25, and the online dog trainer by Doggy Dan. It's just what it sounds like. It's a set of courses that teaches you how to train your dog to be calm and well behaved. Please, train my dog, Doggy Dan, please. This core front end product costs $97 with no recurring fees, and is positioned as an alternative to expensive dog training classes, equipment, and tools. And of course, the real kicker on this is it's sold by a guy named Doggy Dan. I mean, you can trust it because the guy's name is Doggy Dan. So you can find the dog calming code in the ClickBank marketplace today. So go check it out. At number 4, we have Piano for All. And Piano for All is not just what we're getting instead of healthcare. It is an amazing piano product that is fantastic at training you how to play the piano. It's been on ClickBank for years and years. And let's talk about some stats. It's starting at 60% rev shares. It's got an AOV of nearly $60. And what is exactly Piano for All? It's a series of offline lessons that a customer can pay for once and then learn every genre under the sun: ballads, pop, blues, jazz, ragtime, classical pieces, and that one song from Coldplay. It is one of the most popular online piano courses online and has helped over 500,000 students around the world achieve their dream of playing beautiful piano for over a decade. By promoting Piano for All, you can take advantage of a winning digital music offer with a super broad audience. So go, find it in the ClickBank marketplace and get started today. Now, at number 3, we got something pretty amazing here. We got a CBD sports cream. Now, it is a new miracle cream for discomfort. Now, just check out the current stats here. It's starting at 40% rev share, an AOV of nearly $300. I mean, whew. Now, it has some enticing advantages for successful promotion. It comes from a top-tier VSL writer and a long-standing health and wellness spokesperson behind it. It is a great angle for targeting people who are concerned about their wellness, concerned about working out, concerned about just pain in general, because, hey, we're all over 30 at this point. So go to the ClickBank marketplace and get going on it. It's a great product. So at number 2, we got an exciting sleep ecom product that you should know about, and it's Derila Ergo. This is a pillow that changes everything. And let's start with the metrics from this offer. Its earnings per order are about $30 to $60. It's got an AOV of between $90 to $150, and EPCs right now for its top affiliates is about $2. And that's from a low end. Just imagine if you start doing scale and going up. This product stands out because of comfort and support. The revolutionary butterfly design cradles your head and neck in perfect alignment, turning restless nights into deep, pain-free, rejuvenating sleep. And in addition to rejuvenating sleep, it's got great conversion. So if the Derila Ergo pillow sounds like it could be great for your audience, which if you're running Google ads, Google display traffic, YouTube, native, listicle, it will convert great for you. So go promote it. And at number 1, for our e-commerce offers. We actually have the #2 offer for all offers in general, which is Rocket Languages, which is an incredible online language learning program that teaches users foreign languages fast. And it's amazing. It starts at 40% rev share. It's got an AOV of $163.90 and EPCs over $2 and $3. It's amazing. It provides interactive lessons for learners of all levels and languages, combining engaging activities with proven teaching methods. Your audience will enjoy immediate results as they immerse themselves in a dynamic and audio and visual module focused on real-world conversations, cultural insights, and memory-enhancing exercises. And you will need approval for this one. So go to the marketplace, apply for approval with it, and get promoting today. It's awesome. Now, you're probably sitting here being like, why do I want to promote e-commerce offers on ClickBank? Because they convert, y'all, and they're amazing. High quality, low return rates that keep money in your pockets. And they come from great advertisers. We got the best advertisers who have wanted to bring these products to us, and we have even more. You're gonna see more and more of these e-commerce products month after month after month, just like the new one with Pulsetto. We are bringing more and more, and affiliates are seeing awesome conversions on them. So go, promote it. You wanna, like, underneath, you know, like, for my friends, because, like, I tell people I do this show, and they don't believe me, and if you could, you know, like and subscribe and tell your friends, man, that would be hella tight, bro. Be really cool. So I can, you know, chat, you know, seriously, like, fam, can you, please, for the homies? Go make some money, y'all.